Hi everyone, as you can see I've got the Nikon Z7200 f2.8 VRS lens from Nikon here. And this is their latest and greatest 7200 zoom lens for their Z-mount mirrorless cameras. And by all counts it's absolutely amazing. I can't wait to shoot a ton of photos with it. But for now we're just going to unbox it and then we're going to go out and take a bunch of pictures, probably of the goats out here on the farm. But let's get right into that unboxing. Have a lens. I think this is the lens pouch that you can use to store your lens in. Personally, I probably won't use this, but it's kind of nice to have. These lenses used to come with a great big padded bag, but I can see why they stopped including that because I don't think most people use them. This actually seems fairly high quality, and I could see myself, when traveling with the lens, storing it in this just to keep it free of dust and provide some protection from it in my bag while traveling. And here's the lens itself. Wow. That is pretty cool, I've got to say. Really nice. It's actually quite light, despite you can see it's quite a large lens, but it's not too heavy, and I think that's going to be really nice to use to shoot with. But let's see, I don't think there's much left in there. Yep, just the manual and looks like a warranty card. So let's go out and get some photos with it. Well, that was fun. It's an awesome lens to shoot with it. I love filming with this thing and taking stills. It feels great to shoot with it. Really nice lens. The images look great that I'm getting out of it, and overall, I'm really happy with it so far. I can't wait to edit the photos and dig deeper into what this lens is capable of. I plan on putting out an early review, which will go over a lot about the lens and my early impressions of it this Friday. This video should be going out on Wednesday if everything goes as planned. Anyway, thanks for watching and stay tuned for that more in-depth review. It should be pretty good. Okay, bye.